Hey everyone, Joe here, and today I'm going to show you my lazy way of making chocolate covered strawberries. I know, it's just chocolate and strawberries, but you'd be surprised how many people overcomplicate this simple dessert. My way is fast and easy, and if you follow these instructions, I'll guarantee you'll love them. So, let's get started! First thing you'll need are chocolate chips. You can have dark or milk. Mine here are dark chocolate morsels or chocolate chips, but make sure that your bag has instructions showing that it can be placed in the microwave. You don't want to be dealing with any kind of boiling pans or anything like that. Make sure they're microwavable. And the next thing you need are, of course, some fresh strawberries. And if you want to put some toppings on it, you can put things like sprinkles, but I chose coconut flakes because they're my favorite. I'm going to start around with 2 cups. From experience, that many strawberries was about 2 cups. And if I need more, I could always melt more. So let's start with that. Next, pour these into a microwave-safe bowl. For my chocolate chips, the instructions say to leave it uncovered, put it into a microwave on high for about 45 seconds. I'm going to go for about 30 seconds to make sure I don't burn the chocolate. They're going to look not melted after about 30 seconds, but if you take a spoon and kind of mix it in after a while, it'll start getting pretty smudged up and goopy, but I can tell that I'm going to need a little more. So another 30 seconds should do. Alright, about a minute heating so far, and if you just mix, you can see it's pretty gooey now. And if you can get it to this consistency, kind of like pudding, you're ready to go. Next thing you do is quickly set up a spot where you're going to put your strawberries after you dip them. I have a metal pan here with some wax paper or parchment paper. Anything non-stick works, but I like the pan because it's rigid and easy to handle when I put them in the fridge to cool down. Take a strawberry, make sure it's washed and dried. If it has any water on it, it's going to be really hard for chocolate to stick to it. Take your bowl and just dip it in. And it should look something like this. And while the chocolate's still pretty soft, just sprinkle on your topping. And once your pan is filled, just stick these in the fridge for about an hour and they'll be ready to eat. And that's it. Pretty easy. Had you bought these at the supermarket or at a store, it would have cost you way more money. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this pretty easy and simple, consider giving the video a like and subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. And if you have an easier way to do this, please let me know.